Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to occupy a pass in Rise of Kingdoms. In Rise of Kingdoms, occupying pass is a strategic activity that can only be done by alliances, so solo players cannot claim a pass alone. First, ensure your alliance has expanded its territory adjacent to the pass, as proximity is required to initiate occupation. Once your alliance is in position, assemble a strong army and coordinate a rally to attack the pass if it is held by enemies. Neutral passes can be occupied directly once unlocked. After successfully taking control, your alliance will hold the pass, but the job isn't finished. Enemy alliances can counterattack. To maintain control, reinforce your forces and defend the pass effectively. By coordinating with your alliance, attacking strategically, and defending diligently, you can successfully occupy and hold a pass, securing valuable advantages for your kingdom. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.